to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer, and today I'm doing one of my all-time most requested recipes, and it's super simple. If you can see what I have right here, southern green, collard greens. Everyone in my family calls me up and goes, how'd you make those greens? What were in those greens? And you know what? It's not that complicated. Super easy, super simple. Let's get to the recipe. So most people with collard greens use bacon, and I do use bacon a lot, but I decided to switch it up and use hot links. Every now and then you gotta change a recipe and kick it up and make it your own. And that's what I do at Allie in the Valley. Change it up and make it ours. Okay, so let me cut these up really quickly because all we have to do is brown these a little bit, and then we put all the ingredients in, and we got some yummy collard greens. You can use any kind of greens you want. These are collard, but you could add kale, you could do all kind of different kales, you can do cabbage. Right now I'm just doing collard, but you can actually mix it up, and sometimes I do. It really depends on what I find at the store, what I put in it. I love me some hot links. These are the ones I usually put in my gumbo too. All right, so first step to making southern collard greens is really simple. We're gonna turn the stove first. Let's get the stove going. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brown the sausage. If it was bacon, you would brown the bacon, same thing. Just do a little olive oil, not much. You don't wanna over oil anything, just to get the pan coated. And then let's put these yummy, spicy hot links in. And I'm gonna brown those really quickly. And then we'll build from there. Okay, so the sausage has already been cooked. We have all the yummy grease from the sausage that makes everything in greens. If you were doing bacon, you would take the bacon out right now and cut it up a little bit. But since I'm doing sausage, everything's going on top. 1 onion. 4 cloves of garlic. Okay. I think I use garlic in every single recipe I do. I swear to God. My kids eat garlic raw because garlic is really, 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 really good for you. I love it. Ah, look at this. We need smell TV. Come on, who has it? This smells so good. So good. And now let's start building. Let me get the greens over here. We're gonna start adding the greens in. Okay. When I add the greens in, when they get really full, I'm gonna put some chicken stock to start reducing it down. And I usually use this whole chicken stock. Sometimes if I'm doing a lot of greens, I'll even use another one, but it really depends on how much I'm cooking. If it's like for a bigger party and I'm making a lot of greens, I use 2 of these. But just for us, I only need 1, which is about 3 cups of chicken stock. Because once you put the top on, it starts reducing the greens down. So let me get a top right quick. And what I'll do is let me reduce this down, and then I'll come back and add more greens. And let's do some seasoning. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Brown sugar, babe. Can I say that? Brown sugar. I'm just gonna do a couple stalks of thyme, some salt, a little bit of salt because I'm also gonna put my essence in there. You know, the essence I use on everything. That's going in my greens too, that's for show. And a bay leaf. I'll take this out before I serve this. Just mix it up a little bit. I actually might need more stalks of how much greens I put in there. So let me get some more stock. I'm gonna add some more liquid to it. Okay, I'm gonna check on the greens to see how they're doing to make sure they're coated. Swirl them around. Yeah. Ooh, look at these so green. Another vibrant, beautiful pot of yumminess. Yes. Look at that. So see how they wilt down really quickly? Yep. So usually when I do a party, I do like a pot this big. But this is just for, you know, us right now. So I didn't go overboard. But look how beautiful that looks. Okay, I think the greens are ready. Yay! Mmm! Woo! Look at that! Yeah, baby. Let's give it a stir. Oh yeah. Mmm. Okay, this looks good. I'm ready to serve this. Let's move this over and let's taste test this. All right. Southern greens. Who doesn't love southern greens? Yeah. Okay, put this down. Let's taste these babies. Let's see what they taste like. Look at this. Yep. They're looking good. So we got to take the bay leaf out. You don't want to eat that. I'm just going to try a little bit. Let me cool them off because I'm always burning my mouth. I swear to God. I'm always like, oh, let me try it. Ow, it hurts. Okay, so let's move this over here. All right. For me, my secret weapon is always to add apple cider vinegar. It just gives it a little tangy taste. Most people don't put it in. I always wait to the end. And I'm just gonna put a little here and a little on here. And then I'll taste. I have everything else, so just in case it's not seasoned enough, I can add to it. But let me just tell you something, it's seasoned enough. I know. I already know. Okay. Okay, let me stop talking. Let's try it. Okay, it's super hot, so you gotta give me a minute. I'm not burning my mouth any longer. Oh my God, the sausage, this is way better than bacon. This sausage gives it a kick. Really, really flavorful, not too hot. And the vinegar gives it like a tanginess. Really good. You know, listen, you know where to get the recipe, AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And everybody needs to know how to make southern greens.